If you ran a selected analysis with descriptor data, the software estimated the best way to predict to which cluster an individual is most likely to belong based solely on descriptor data. This is very useful to predict whether young people, age as a descriptor factor, are more likely to be more price sensitive using price sensitivity as a segmentation variable, or if businesses in certain industries require more support than others. The ability to recoup segment membership based on descriptor variables is best summarized by the confusion matrix and hit rate. Once this descriptor analysis has been applied to the original dataset, it can be applied again to external customers for whom descriptor data, but no segmentation data, is available. The process of classifying customers among segments, based on preceding segmentation analysis, but using descriptor data only, is called classification analysis. Note that this classification of customers across segments is our best guess based on descriptor analysis. It is not perfect, and some customers might be misclassified, that is, they are the closest to segment A in terms of needs, but their descriptor variables send us astray and predict they are more likely to belong to segment B. Classification analysis is usually applied to new customers, for whom segmentation data is not available. For learning purposes, you can also apply it to descriptor data of customers for whom segmentation data is available, and see how well segment memberships are recouped. This analysis is automatically done when you run a segmentation analysis, and its results are summarized by the confusion matrix. Segment size and model predictions are reported on the report of out-of-sample classification. On the table of segment size, you have the size and relative percentages for each segment. Next, model predictions detail the probabilities of each member of the classification dataset to belong to each cluster, as predicted by the descriptor model and the descriptors alone. The segment with the highest probability is retained. The classification output shows the output from applying the descriptor model to the respondents to be classified. Because segmentation variables and actual segment membership are unavailable, the actual accuracy of the model predictions is unknown and can only be inferred from the previous section.